Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today I brought another free opportunity for everyone. Okay, if you can't pay for Claude Code and GPT, don't worry because I brought an opportunity in a free offer for all of you. For next 72 hours, it means for next 3 days, we can use these top frontier models Kimi K3, 5.2 and Qwen 3.8 Max for free. These are free for 3 days for everyone. Free account included, no subscription and no cards. Nothing is required for this free offer. You know, these three models are top open source models nowadays, competing with GPT 5.6 and Claude Opus 5. So don't miss this opportunity. Let's get started and we will sit up and we will show you everything from start to the end to understand and get this free offer. So let's get started. First of all, open a Chrome browser or any other browser and search for Clusy. So you will see Clusy.io, this first website. Open the website. So after coming to their website, so here we will see a login button, or here you can click start for free. So after clicking this page, you will move to app.clusy.io. So after moving there, now you will face with this whiteboarding interface, as you can see. So this is the here you can select the model like Kimi K, just come here, Qwen 3.8 Max, Kimi K3 and GLM 5.2. These are all for free to use. As you can see, DeepSeek version 4 is plus, it is just disabled, and also Opus 4.5 and other model. But these four offers are free for everyone to use for next 3 days. For example, let's press this Qwen 3.8 Max. So here you can select CPU and GPU, and here you can attach and plan and data, whatever you want. So let's, for example, we will ask from this model like to build a simple hello world program. Hello world program in HTML. I will just explain build a simple snack game in single HTML file. You can download the code. Okay, don't worry. It gives us code, files, everything. So let's check now. So it will build this snack game for us in a single HTML file, and I will show you everything. So these are HTML file. Just in a second, we will have all the files ready, and I will show you where you can download and see the files. Fill in the JS plan. Yes. Yeah, that's it. I'll create a self-contained snake game, all the CSS in JavaScript inlined. So it will just write now the file, then I will show you how you can download and check that. So our file is ready. Let's run it. So as you can see here, we come directly to our chart, and here we can see the preview of our snake game. So let's press this button and run it. So that's it. It was all about this. Okay, game over. So now come here to the source. You will see the files, and come here to the notebook, and I will just show you the location. So come here to the output. This is HTML file. So you can just download it, attach it, copy reference, rename it, whatever you want. So you can do with this file. As you can see the preview, and also delete, name, attach, and download it. So this was all about the Clusy.io in offer that I showed you how you can access these top frontier models for free. That was all about today. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a positive comment to motivate me to make more videos like this for free AI tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.